Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. So let's start the video. What I'm going to do first you need to log in Roblox account. After login, you need to first search bar of your internet browsers and type www.roblox.com/support, then press enter. Now you are on contact page. Now you need to understand of these all contact information option. So let's start. First is username option. It is optional, not necessary. And second one is first name option. It's also optional. And third one is email address option. It's necessary option. So you need to type your Roblox email. Fourth one is confirm email address option. You need to enter again of your Roblox account email, and now you can see issue details. In this option you need to select your problem on which device. So you need to select any one device. So I select PC device option. So next option is category option. So you need to choose moderation option. And now choose appeal account option. So now next step is description. You need to be careful when typing the description. You need to write about the problems you're facing with your Roblox account. So I write to Roblox support team. After checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thanks. After write this description, now click on Submit button. After submitting, wait for team response. We hope Roblox team resolve your issue and fixed voice chat suspended issue. That's end of this video. We upload one video every week, so stay connected with us and feel free to ask any question or suggestion on comment below. Thank you.